Hey guys, welcome to Learn and Enjoy Kitchen. I'm Azadeh and today we're gonna cook a very delicious meal called Reshteh Polo, which is the special meal for Nowruz or Charshanbe Suri. But before we start, subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get informed of our latest videos. The ingredients: noodles 200 grams, rice 400 grams or 2 cups, raisins 80 grams, chicken leg or breast 4 pieces, 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, salt, black pepper, turmeric as you need, cinnamon powder as you need, tomato paste 2 tablespoons, lime juice half a cup, sugar 2 teaspoons, saffron as you need, and butter as you need. The Iranian eat this rice dish with meatballs or chicken. I cook it with chicken. So first we're gonna cook the chicken. Put a frying pan on the stove and add a little oil and some butter. We use oil to prevent butter from burning. Stir butter in the pan on low heat continuously till melts. When butter melts, put pieces of chicken on the skinned side in the pan and let them fry completely on low heat. When one side is completely fried, turn them to fry the other side as well. While the chicken pieces are being fried, peel a large onion and slice it. When both sides of the chicken pieces are fried, put them aside on a plate. Now add the sliced onion to the pan and sauté on medium heat. When the onion slices soften and their color changes a little bit, slice 2 cloves of garlic and add them to the onions. Now it's time to add the spices: turmeric, black pepper, salt, tomato paste, and cinnamon powder. Add them all and stir till mixed and get sautéed. Then add the fried chicken pieces to the mixture of onions and spices. Be sure to add the sauce of the chicken to the pan because it contains all the taste of the chicken. Next, add a little lime juice to the chickens and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Add about 2 glasses of cold water and let them cook on low heat completely. Meanwhile, let's cook rice with noodles. You need to soak rice in water and salt some hours before you start cooking. Then, put the pot of rice, water, and salt on the stove until it boils. After it starts boiling, cut noodles to 3 to 4 centimeter pieces and add them to the rice. When the rice is half cooked and the noodles soften, drain rice and noodles. To make tahdig, or the bottom of the pot, you can use bread, potatoes, or the rice itself. I want to make tahdig with yogurt. To make this tahdig, put some yogurt in a bowl and add some of the drained rice to it. You can add some saffron to it as well. I added a little cinnamon powder to it. Add some oil to the pot and wait till it is hot. Now, add the mixture of rice and yogurt and flatten it with the back of a spoon. Then, add the layers of rice and noodles, and in between the layers, add some cinnamon powder. Pour a little oil on rice and let the rice cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. Look at the color. The chicken smells delicious. To prepare the raisins, put a clean pan on the stove, add some oil and then the raisins. Add about 2 tablespoons sugar to the raisins and stir on low heat till the sugar melts and the color of raisins changes. In the end, add some brewed saffron to it. When the rice is cooked, you can garnish it with the raisins. Lunch is ready to serve. Bon appetit! Dear friends, this was today's traditional meal. I hope you cook it and enjoy it with your family. Don't forget to follow us on other social networks and recommend our channel to your friends. Happy New Year!